What's up, my ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here, going over this really awesome full enclosure case here from the folks at HualiMei. This is for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, and having something here to be able to protect all the way around your phone, especially for this really brittle phone that has unfortunately been demonstrated to not be as strong on the back. Having something from the folks at HualiMei is a great way to be able to level up your lifestyle, protect your asset, but also have something that will give you that peace of mind here in the event of a mishap. With that said, HualiMei did sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out, guys, here, as it does help out the channel. Let's demonstrate how to set this up, use it, and protect your phone. I like the careful curation here of the product unboxing. It's also made out of products that can be recycled, so make sure you do so. I opted into the case here that is crystal clear so I could still see my iPhone 15 Pro Max. But what's great here is it's got an awesome enclosure made out of polycarbonate that's really robust and really strong. It's got metallic and chrome wrapped around the buttons and some of the highlights, and it's just a really cool all-around case that I think should be considered. With that said, it's actually got screws inside of it, so you're gonna have to unscrew it, and you're literally screwing it together to be able to fit in there. It is gonna take some assembly here. You've got these flathead screws here that you're gonna need to screw off. There's 6 of them in total to give you that solid enclosure here. You're gonna wanna take it out from the backside where the lens cover is. The provided tool here is nice to have. You can see here that it clamshells out. You can go ahead and take out the material on the inside. And what's cool here is it has a tempered glass screen protector here. So if you didn't want to necessarily have it, you can go ahead and take it out. Otherwise, you can keep it on there here and it fits right in place here to be able to provide you that protection. Coming up close, it's made out of this hardened polycarbonate material here. It's robust, it's very rigid, and I really like the chrome there that they have on the front there for that camera protector. Let's place it in here for the first time. You can see that the buttons align seamlessly. It's got a nice little bumper on the inside so it will carry it where it needs to be. You can see you got the silicone here on the corners that provides you that insulation as well. And you got the really cool, robust buttons that are colored. These are metal as well, giving that nice enclosure. Okay, there you have it. Screen protector in all full enclosure. I really like this. It's really robust. It looks really sleek in the hand. Oh, that's so cool. You've got the black titanium as it resonates here, I think, with most folks. I really like how this looks. It's blocky. I think it's thick, it's robust, and it's gonna give you that protection that you need all around the case. I like that. I really like these buttons, the chrome buttons, as well as the insulation here and protection. Your speaker grill is amplified there with this cool grill. You've got this silicone flap here to be able to give you that protection as well. Looks really, really nice. I like that. I've gone ahead and mounted the Magsafe here. There's better tools to do so, and I kind of messed up on it, but it still has the ability to sync and charge, which is really nice. You can go ahead and use a third-party charging bank if you wanted. You can go ahead and opt into this travel-friendly case. It's a 3-in-1 from Murpiso. It goes ahead and it starts charging, no problem. There you go, we're charging, which is nice. You can put your Apple Watch or your AirPods, or if you want to have something a little more content creation friendly, you can go and throw on this SnapGrip here from the folks at ShiftCam. This is a great way here to be able to use Magsafe with, you know, all these cool features, tripod mount, shutter button, all that good stuff. With that said, ponios, down below in the links in the description is the product pricing and availability here. If that's something you're interested in, this is a really sleek case here that has Magsafe option to stick on. I think it's a great way to be able to protect your phone, to give you that clarity, as well as being able to see through this really cool non-yellowing case to be able to show off your really awesome titanium black or whichever one you opted into. This is Andy with Tech Influence. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.